Hello, friends. I just want to show you how to create a virtual network gateway on Microsoft Azure. So on your Azure account, you just come here on search and type virtual network gateway. You see it there, click on it. And then on your top left, you see create. Click on create and we have to fill in all these details. So the name, I'm just going to give it name virtual VN gateway, right? And then you have to choose your region, whatever region you want to deploy, you want to create this infrastructure. So for me, I'm just going to choose East US. Okay. And your SKU. So in creating a virtual network gateway, the choice of SKU is defined by how many connections a given gateway can handle. So for example, if you want to create a SKU for maybe 10,000 users, right? You have to choose the right SKU that can serve that capacity. And the way you can know is that you can just check on Azure documentation, right? To depending on the capacity of users, right? What size of SKU, stock keeping unit should you choose? So for this one, I'm just going to choose the first one, right? And in the virtual network, so I'm just going to choose, I already created this virtual network, this VNet, I already created that. If you have not created it, just create it, a virtual network. I'm just going to choose that one so you say the virtual network already has a gateway of this type or the existing gateway. Okay, so let me see if I can choose this one. Okay, so I'm just going to choose this one. So I think that one is already connected with another, virtual network gateway. So I'm just going to choose this one and, so public IP address name. So let me put something public IP, public IP, and then for the second public IP address, I'm just going to put the same thing, but I'm just going to add maybe P so that is different from this one, right? So, and that's it. So just go to next tag. So we don't want to, put any tag. Review. You see that running final validation passed. And just check it, check everything if the resource group is actually what you want. Check it if the region is what you want, if the SKU is what you want, the virtual network, is that what you want? Check it, you just have to cross-check and just click on create, click on create. So you will see deployment is in progress. So this will take a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to pause the video and when the deployment is done, I'll show you. All right, so as we can see to the right, deployment is successful. And we can see this was the virtual network gateway. I called it VN gateway. And if you remember the SKU, I chose this one. And that's it. Yeah, that's it.